Alright, mga ka-adventure, nandito na yung aming mga kasamahan ng Philippine Confederation of Senior Cyclists. Ayan, nandito na rin sila si Sir Daniel Spediano. Ayan, nandito na rin si Sir Arthur Goda, presidente ng SGBQCC. Ayan. Yun, no? Alright, good morning mga ka-adventure. Nandito na kami sa Chinese General Hospital. Kasama na namin ang presidente na si Sir Daniel Spediano, si Sir Arthur Goda ng Yan, nandito na kami sa Chinese General Hospital. Ang dami na namin dito guys. Lights. So mamaya i-update ko kayo. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3. Sapa, 1, 2, 3. Yan. I-video ko muna. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Chinese General Hospital. Sana upang mag-cover kami ng guys, medical mission rito. Nandito na rin ang aming mga kasamahan ng mga Philippine Confederation of Senior Cyclists. Umpisa na guys, mag-start na. Ang daming mga tao guys, ang daming mga pasyente. Yun.
Hey, good morning, Philippine Confederation of Senior Cyclists. We're live here at Chinese General Hospital, Medical Arts Building, 6th floor, on our medical mission, the relieving pain for the body pain. Kanya po sa lahat ng mga pasyente na pupunta po rito na aming mga kasamahan at sa lahat po ng mga community na invite po namin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, lalo na po sa aking kapartner na si Doc George ko na nagbigay sa atin ng pahintulot ng makasama rito sa medical mission para makatulong po tayo sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating mga kasamahan at sa lahat po ng iba. At ngayon po, nandito po kami kasama ang Philippine Confederation of Senior Cyclists Incorporated, all affiliated groups all over the Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Isa po isang malaking karangalan para sa PCSCI na makasama po rito sa medical mission ng Chinese General Hospital. Siguro yun lang po sa lang po muna at maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. To God be the glory. Buhay po, PCSCI.
Mabuhay po.
Good morning, Philippine Confederation of Senior Cyclists. We're live here at the Chinese General Hospital, 6th floor, Medical Arts Building, on our medical mission regarding the relieving pain for the body to gain, together with the PCSCI Senior and Junior SLCT Caloocan City, Sir Arthur, our President. Sir Arthur, pagpapayag lang po regarding dito sa medical mission.
Okay, magandang umaga po sa lahat. Kami po yung grupo ng SDBQCCC, isa sa mga affiliates ng PCSCI. No? Nandito po kami para suportahan yung ating medical mission. At the same time, meron din tayong mga kasamang gustong magpa-check up, mga may pain. Marami na may pain eh. So, kailangan pa-check up na rin sila kung ano dito. So yun, nandito po tayo para suportahan itong medical mission ni Dr. George Ko.
Po. Siguro po, maraming salamat po sa lahat, no? From the Philippine Confederation of Senior Cyclists Incorporated, from the Board of Directors, members, officers, no? Mabuhay po tayong lahat. To God be the glory. We ride as well.
Alright. Thank you, Sir Arthur and Sir Daniel.
Picture. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Nandito na rin lang namin kami, hindi pa-check up na rin kami.
Si Ma'am Jubilee po. Isa po sa mga PT po namin. Si Ma'am Jennifer. Tapos si Sir Francis Mosquero po. Sila po yung mga PT po. Mamaya po sila po yung titingin sa inyo. Kami po yung titingin tapos papasa po namin kayo sa mga PT namin o kaya kay Dr. Seager. Okay? Tapos, thank you lang din po sa mga sponsors natin nasa labas sa Unilab, Macro Pharma, Gets Pharma, and Toby Pharma in no particular order. Okay? So, introduce ko na lang po yung first speaker po natin, si Dr. Alus Bimindan po. Anesthesiologist po siya, graduate po ng UST Medicine, nag-specialty training ng anesthesiology sa PGH at nag-fellowship po in pain medicine sa St. Luke's po. Affiliated po siya dito sa Chinese General, Cardinal Santos, NKTI, St. Luke's, Metropolitan at Medical City po. Welcome po, Dr.
Yan, ganyan lang po And then, pagkatapos po natin mag-forward, side naman. Side. Yan. Tapos, kabila naman. Huwag ka magkala naman, tuturuan ka naman pag ganyan. Then, palikod naman. Yan, palikod. Very good. Oo. Okay, very good po yan ha. Bago po natin ituloy yung ituro yung mga nakahiga naman para kay moms na hindi na niya kaya. Ituloy muna natin sa uncle natin ha. Gagawin lang natin marcha.
Yun.
Yan, 1, 2, 3, yan, 4, as high as you can. As high as you can. Okay? 10 ulit lang din po. Okay, last exercise natin, gagawin niyo lang po, tiptoe.
Yun.
Tiptoe. Toes. Yan. Lahat po yun, 10 ulit lang. Okay, pwede na po tayo po. Para sa mga hindi po siya nagagawa ng nakatayo, pwede po natin siyang gawin ng nakahiga.
Panay naman tayong ganun eh.
So habang nakahiga
Kabait
po
tayo.
kayo, repeat lang po, straight leg,
Gumagalaw
1,
lahat
10, tapos side. Pero huwag niyo na pong gawin yung palikot. Siyempre, nakahiga po kayo, di ba? Hindi pa natin magagawa yun. Tapos yung sa ninyo, ma'am, ganun lang, slide mo lang. Okay? Kahit nakahiga, pwede po kayong mag-tiptoe, ah. Kaya niyo po yun. Okay? Yun lang po yung exercise natin. Any questions? Wala naman. Okay, thank you po.
Alright, thank you. Time out muna tayo guys.
Okay na po for consultation.
Yan guys, kami ay papatapos na sa aming kasama yung yun. Dami mga guys, kasamahan natin biker ng Philippine Federation of Senior Citizens. Kita ko si Madam Photography oh. Shout out ma'am.
Limang PT sessions. Okay? Mag-duplicate na. Ito na yung ruleta natin. Ano na ako ha?
Yun oh.
Spinning wheel. Number. 86.
Yay! The six.
Forward yung ano nyo, si
Wala akong
Tara.
number.
Okay. Picture daw. Ay, picture daw. Paano? 3. Kasama dito. Dito.
First call on Dr. Cynthia Ang, who will award the certificates with me to our speakers. Okay. Chinese General Hospital and Medical Center with the Department of Anesthesiology, Pain Medicine Supportive and Palliative Care Unit, in collaboration with the Department of Rehabilitation Medicine, present this certificate of appreciation to Dr. Luz Viminda Kwong, for her invaluable contribution as speaker during the Joint Pain Medicine and Rehab Medicine Lay Forum entitled Relieving Pain for the Body to Gain, given this 21st day of July, 2024 Chinese General Hospital. Signed, yours truly, as head of the Pain Medicine and Palliative Care Unit, Dr. Cynthia Ang Munoz as the chair of the Department of Rehab Medicine. Also signed by Dr. George Ko as Associate Medical Director of the Charity Medical Missions Outreach Programs, and our Medical Director, Dr. Samuel Ang. So may we ask Dr. Luz Belinda Bong. Dr. Bong is still patient. Masyadong masipa. Balikan na lang po natin siya para hindi mag-aksaya po ng oras. The same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Dr. Luz Belinda Bong.
Thank you so much.
Also, the same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Dr. Cyril Reyes Ong for his invaluable contribution as speaker in this forum. And last but definitely not the least, we'd like to award the same certificate to Ma'am or Miss Annie Rose Tupil as a speaker as
Thank you. So, Dr.
Today, for sharing their Sunday and expertise for our patients. Okay, first up, si Dr. Jocelyn. Okay. Thank you for Dr. Next, thank you po ulit kay Dr. Siebert. Si Dr. Rating Lau. Si Dr. Emmanuel Villani. Dr. Berlin Fernando Isidro. Dr. Dr. Cardile.
Sila.
Dr. Andrea D. Miss Rochelle. Miss Francesca Leite. May free parking tickets pa pala to raffle off pala. Mahal ng parking sa Chaichen. Joke pa. Miss Linel Balondo, thank you din po. Miss Charis po, and Tines, thank you din po. Dr. Cynthia Ang, maraming salamat. Dr. Arjun Reyes. Kakagraduate na lang po dito sa Dr. Kelvin Chan po. Si Dr. Raquel Sitan. Si Ma'am Jubilee po. Si Ma'am Jennifer. And lastly, but not the least, si Sir Francis. And our sponsors. So, for the parking tickets, iba mo lang kotse.
again our staff, Dr. Berlin Fernando, Dr. Siebert, Dr. Luzmo, Dr. Mano Villano, maraming salamat. Our support staff from Cancer Institute, from the DCM, from Gen 6, ako, wala, ito mangyayari. Sa inyo lahat, if you want, if you need to follow up, kasi yun na siya earlier, you can contact the respective offices or departments to schedule an appointment. Yun lang, hindi na cover ng free clinic. Now, words from salamat.
Hindi sa hanggang dito na muna tayo. Kung bakit ko lang
Without you here, hindi rin magiging reality yung ating project for joint clinic and day fora with the Department of Anesthesiology and Rehabilitation Medicine. Dr. George Po, again, we'd like to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your spending your Sunday with us. And I also want to thank my staff from the Department of Rehabilitation Medicine, starting with our rehab doctor volunteers who were here, Dr. Kelvin Chan, Dr. Arlene Ledesma, Dr. Cyril Ong, Dr. Kelsey Tan. Dr. Ramon Salud was also very instrumental in our preparation. It's just that he's on leave at this time. And of course, our PD and support staff from Ma'am Weng Castillo, Ma'am Jen, Ma'am Jubilee, Sir Franz, of course, our speaker, Dr. Cyril and Ma'am Annie, and also our sponsors from our pharmaceutical family, Unilab Philippines, Macro Pharma Corporation, Jets Pharma Philippines, and Toby Pharma Incorporated. And of course, our Department of IT of our hospital. Thank you so much for all the audio-visual support. And from CSID, who also prepared our posters. And so that we can disseminate this very important event in celebration of the National Rehabilitation Prevention, National Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Week. And with that, we close our activity formally. And may you have a fruitful weekend. Thank you so much, and safe travels always, especially our bikers. So nice to meet everyone.
Thank you.